Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick explanation and guides on how you can actually connect Telegram to n8n. So please listen carefully to each step and each detail that I will be explaining, and this will help you to automate sending and receiving messages through Telegram in your workflows. So first, you will have to make sure that your n8n is already your n8n account is already logged in, and then you will have to create a new workflow. Then, you will add a Telegram node from the nodes panel and create Telegram bot in the Telegram app, and then you will copy the bot token. And next, you will enter the bot token into the n8n credentials, and by then, you will test the connection by sending a message to your bot. Configure the node to send messages or receive updates as part of your workflow. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.